Hey guys, so we're back out here at the bees and we're gonna open it up and see what's going on. We did get a new hive ordered and we're waiting on that, and that's a 3-tier. So we're hoping to be able to get some of the bees moved over into that new hive to be getting a good honey supply going. And they loved the strawberry jam the last time I put it out, so I brought another jar for them. Look at that, guys. That's how much work that they've done since the last time I showed you. And we'll wait until this entire thing is covered by the wax, the white wax, and that you can't see any of the yellow, and then that will mean that the honey is ready to be preserved. It looks like they're doing fabulous. We are going to make sure that these screens are close enough together that this is not getting out of control and making it really difficult. Okay, go.
Bless it.
Hey everybody, so at the end of this last clip, Philip, he got stung pretty bad. So needless to say, he is done with actually helping me with the bees. So I'm going to be on my own doing this part. So today what I need to do is check them, clean out some of the area down at the bottom. I hadn't gotten rid of the old bees that had died in transit. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that out. And like I said, I did not realize how fast these little burgers were going to be working and getting the job done. So obviously I learned really fast that I'm going to need some new hives. So that's what I have today. I have some new boxes that are going to go on top of this one. So let's get to work. I think it'd be a good idea if I went ahead and put this on. And I put this here, this container that they came in, I'm going to go ahead and just put all of it in here and get rid of it. Go ahead and gently move some of these screens out. And it looks like there's really not a lot of matter left in here. Yeah, it looks like they've cleaned it up pretty good, actually. They did a pretty good job getting that all cleaned up. So there's not going to be a lot that I'm going to have to do. I am curious, though, to see if I can see the queen. And you can see where they're brooding, and there's eggs. There's bee larvae down in these holes. That is pretty cool. Definitely getting the job done. And I'm not seeing the queen yet, but I know, seeing these eggs, she's definitely in there doing her job. And I'm going to show you this. There's actual honey inside the honeycomb. You can see it right in there, the different color. That darker brown inside the yellow. So I'll have another 24 frames. And we're going to put these close enough together to where that they can't make it really difficult. And they're creating their hives and their brood and everything. And they're spacing it out far, because when I checked on it one day, I left it too big of a gap. And so they've kind of, the honeycomb's expanding and they're kind of building it out. So you want to make sure that those frames are close together so that doesn't happen. So that's definitely going to be a lesson learned on my part. You can see that these boxes, they don't have a bottom. It's just the frames. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do that I have my hives, my extra hives over here, is put the queen excluder in between this first one and this other two. That way the queen will stay in the bottom and she will lay her eggs there, and then the other bees, the worker bees, will come out and make honey on the top, in the top two boxes. Careful to get it on there just right. I don't want to smash any of these little guys. All right, so here's number 3. And guys, if you have any suggestions about how high to and not to stack your hives, please let me know in the comments below. I am going to have Philip either get me or make me a better stand to put them on. And then I have one more box that is a smaller box, and I'll show it to you real quick. So this is what that one looks like. It's shorter, and it has smaller screens. And this is supposed to be for like the excess honey, but I think it's going to be too high of a hive if I put this on top. And I really don't want the wind or something coming through here, and or even an animal or something coming through here and knocking all this down on the ground. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave this off for now, and I can add it if I need to when I get a better stand. And these cinder blocks do add quite a bit of support. So we have like 4 of them under there. So until I get something else, I think it's going to be just fine for now, and I'll find something to give it a little more added support. So I hope you're enjoying my adventure in beekeeping for the first time. If you have any comments, leave them below, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.